Hello my dear students, in our lesson today we are going to study countable and uncountable nouns. Let's start with the countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count and they can be singular or plural. Before a singular countable noun we can use a or an before a singular countable noun. For example, a girl, an apple, a cat, an egg, a boy, an orange. And these words in the plural form are girls, apples, cats, eggs, boys, oranges. Another word like the word child, in the singular form we can use a before it, like a child. In the plural form it will be children. A man will be men. A woman, it will be women. A mouse will be mice. Before plural countable nouns we can use these, those, some, any, many, few, a lot of, lots of. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we can't count and they are always singular. For example, liquids like water, juice, tea, coffee, oil, milk. These nouns are singular nouns. Gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide. Meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner. School subjects like history, physics, biology, English. Languages like English, Arabic, French. Sports like football, volleyball, basketball, swimming. Some abstract nouns like hope, beauty, love, peace, confidence, courage, patience, happiness. Other nouns like money, rubbish, equipment, electricity, luggage, traffic, sugar, cheese. All these nouns are always in the singular form. Before uncountable nouns we can choose a or an, we can choose these or those. What can we use before uncountable nouns? We can use a lot of, lots of, much, little, some, any before uncountable nouns. For example, I drank much tea yesterday. You should drink little coffee in the evening. You should drink much milk every day. Notes. The use of a lot of and lots of. We use them before plural countable noun in affirmative sentence or before uncountable nouns. For example, I have a lot of or lots of books. The word books is a countable noun, so we can use a lot of or lots of before it. She bought a lot of or lots of sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun. We must know that before countable and uncountable noun you can use a lot of or lots of, but a lot of or lots of came in affirmative sentences only. We can't use it in negative or in questions. Many, we can use it before a plural countable noun in questions and sentences. For example, have you got many books? No, I haven't got many books. Much before uncountable nouns in questions and sentences too. For example, did you drink much tea yesterday? No, I didn't drink much tea yesterday. The word some, we can use it before plural countable nouns or before uncountable nouns in affirmative sentence and in offer and request. For example, I'd like to have some new pens. I want to drink some orange juice. Would you like some tea, Ali? Can you give me some water, please? The word any, we can use any before plural countable nouns or uncountable nouns in negative sentence and questions. Do you have any books? There isn't any sugar in the tea. So the word any came in negative and questions, but the word some came in affirmative sentences. Few, we can use it before a plural countable noun in affirmative sentences. For example, I have few books here. Little, we can use it before uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences. For example, I have little money. Important notes. Some words appear to be plural nouns, but they are singular nouns. For example, news, mathematics, economics, information, physics. All these words appear to be plural, but they are singular in fact. For example, the news is not correct. The news is a singular noun, so we use is, not are. Physics is a very difficult subject. Some words are always plural, like police, like cattle, like people. For example, there are a lot of people in the party. If we put the before an adjective, it turns to be a plural noun. For example, poor. Poor is an adjective. If we put the before it, it will be a plural noun. It means a group of people who are poor, like the poor are in need of our help. Some words can be countable and uncountable nouns according to the meaning of the sentence. For example, I'd like some writing paper. Here the word paper is uncountable noun. I'm going to buy a paper. Paper here in this sentence means a newspaper, so it is a countable noun. The window is made of unbreakable glass. Glass here is uncountable noun. It means the material. Would you like a glass of water? This is a countable noun. Have you got any coffee? Coffee here is uncountable noun. It means the liquid. Can I have 2 coffees? Coffees here is a countable noun. It means a cup of coffee. Don't hurry, there is plenty of time. Here the word time is uncountable noun. It means the time in general. But he went to London 3 times. The word time here is a countable noun. The table is made of iron. Iron is uncountable noun. Here it means the material that we use to make the table. She bought an iron yesterday, and iron here is a countable noun. This is the iron we use to iron clothes. This is the iron here. Iron is a countable noun. Do you like chicken? The word chicken here is uncountable. It means the meat of the chicken. We bought a chicken. Chicken here is a countable noun. Now let's answer some exercises together. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. Number 1. Mr. Hassan earns space money. He is in need of your help. He is in need of your help means he needs your help. So, little, many, a few, much. Of course, the word money is uncountable noun. We can't use many or a few with it. So, we will use little because he is in need of your help. So, he needs money. So, Mr. Hassan earns little money. He is in need of your help. Number 2. How space meat do you need, madam? Long, many, much, for. The word meat is uncountable noun, so we will use the word much. Number C. How much meat do you need, madam? How space kilos of meat do you need, madam? Here the word kilos of meat, we will deal with the word kilo as a countable noun, so we will use, or the answer will be how many kilos of meat. The answer will be number B. How many kilos of meat do you need, madam? He doesn't like city life as there is always too much voices, noise, cars, shops. So much came with uncountable noun, so we will use noise, or the answer will be noise, number B. He doesn't like city life as there is always too much noise. Will you buy a space of toothpaste, honey? Piece, glass, tube, plate. The answer will be tube of toothpaste. Space people live in the country today than in the past. Little, less, few, fewer. So the answer will be number D, fewer people, because we have than in the sentence. I can hear too many space in the living room. Do you have guests? I can hear too many noise, sound, voices. So the answer will be number D, voices. I have had many jobs to do and so space time. A few, a little. So the answer will be little time. Means very little time, not enough. Math space my favorite subject when I was in school. Math was, where, is, or. So math was my favorite subject when I was in school. There is plenty of meat, but there isn't space bread. Plenty, many, much, a lot. The answer will be much because bread is uncountable noun. We can say a lot because we must say a lot of, and plenty we must say plenty of. So the right answer will be number C, much. 6 people space injured in a bus accident yesterday. 6 people, or, was, where, is. The answer will be number C, were injured. How space butter should you use? Many, few, much, little. So the answer will be how much butter. I take a space of honey every morning. Jar, tube, glass, spoonful. So I take a spoonful of honey. He hasn't got space furniture in his house. A lot of, some, any, many. So he hasn't got number C, any furniture in his house, because furniture is uncountable noun and any came in the negative sentence. There are space boxes on the shelf. They are not enough. Many, few, a lot of, any. So the answer will be number B. There are few boxes on the shelf. They are not enough. My brother has space experience, so he didn't get the job. A little, a few, little, few. The answer will be number C, little, because experience is uncountable noun and little means very little experience, not enough. So he didn't get the job. Are there space biscuits left? Some, a, any, and. So this is a question. It will be, are there any biscuits left? The answer will be number C. He hasn't got space luggage. Some, much, many, a lot. He hasn't got, yes, the answer will be number B, much luggage. Now, my dear students, we have finished our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Thank you and goodbye.